Okay, so I'm testing some electrical outlets that I have up in the attic, and I don't know if they're hot or if they're switched. Um, so this is like one of the roof rafters, and I have some electrical Romex lines coming in here. This looks like a transformer, and I don't know where the low voltage of the transformer goes. I'll figure that out later. And I have a switch. I have a electrical outlet. I have another switch, and I have a box. I'm not sure what's in the box, but basically I'm trying to figure out if this one here is hot, and if it is, if it's switched with one of these switches. So I'm going to use this electrical tester. I think this also tells me if the line is faulty in some way. So okay, so I see, I plug it in here, and it's showing me two lights, two right lights. So that means it's correct. It's showing it's correct. And the other thing I want to check is yep, I want to check if the switch controls this outlet. Looks like it doesn't. So I'm guessing the switch probably controls this transformer input, and I have another way of checking that. I don't know where that transformer goes. Okay, so I tested this switch. It doesn't control this outlet. Now let's see this switch. Looks like this one doesn't control this outlet either. Now interestingly, I have another outlet here. Let's see about that. I'm plugging it in here. Looks like this is also active and wired correctly. And same for this. I want to check if the switch controls this outlet. Looks like it doesn't, and this switch also doesn't control this outlet. So this is like an active outlet that I can use for, plugging in anything I need in the attic, like that fan perhaps, or another light. But really what I'm trying to do is find a line that I can run up this rafter and back down there, that rafter. I'm trying to add an outlet to the top of those hot water, gas hot water heaters. Those are atmospheric vented, but the reason I need an electrical outlet there is because I'm going to use a smart um, thermostat control. So this is regular electronic thermostat control, and it's got a port in here, a COM port, and there are a lot of devices available now that can use that COM port to communicate with the thermostat to turn it on or off. And but those smart devices need electrical outlet to operate. So what I'm planning to do is install electrical outlet on the top over there, and then the smart device would go in here. It's Wi-Fi connected, and then it needs a electrical outlet, and the wire would run to the top over there to the electrical outlet. And so I'm planning to add an electrical outlet here that would come from eventually over here where I'm checking this hot. Now what I might do is, I don't know if I want to just use a plugged, a plug connection. Maybe what I might do is just feed off of this box somehow internally, and then run another wire uh, from the back, perhaps, of the box, run another Romex wire up through the top and back down there uh, to the top of the hot water. And eventually I'll need another outlet on the top of this hot water heater too. So while I'm doing this, I might as well also do an outlet over there. And this is an older hot water heater which actually doesn't have, it has a mechanical gas valve, and this one cannot be connected to a smart control. But eventually when I replace this water heater, all the new ones come with this electronic control gas valve, so this one will have electronic control too, and that's when I can use that outlet on the top for any, also if I were to replace this in the future, this gas water heater with electric water heater, then that outlet up there would be helpful. So that's about it. So yeah, so I can, this is a hot line which is not switched, so I can feed off of this box, or if this junction box down here, it might just be a junction box, so maybe I can also might be able to feed off of here too. Looks like there is some Romex coming in here. I have to look at where this goes. So it looks like it goes back up here. Now this switch, I'm trying to figure out what this switch controls, and so I'll have to figure that out too. But it looks like it goes down here somewhere. Maybe it controls, actually maybe I can just trace it and see where it goes. So this one comes from the top. Okay, I got that. Oh, this one comes from here. So maybe this is the hot version that's always on, and the switched line comes out from the back of this and goes somewhere. Maybe if I trace this, I'll know where this goes. So let me see where this comes out. I'm guessing this goes to the furnace or the heater. I mean the furnace or the air conditioner. So let me see where this goes. It's back here, and I don't see where it comes out over here. Oh, there it is. It comes out from below, and it goes up into this heater. So I'm guessing, okay, this is probably a switch for this heater, or yeah, switch for the heater or the air conditioning unit. And what about the other switch? Let's check. So this is this switch. Now I know what this is for. Now this switch, let's see where this one goes. So this one, okay, this one comes from the top. This other one comes from this transformer. So one comes in from the transformer, the other one goes back up this way and up that way. I'm guessing this is for the other. I have two ACs and furnaces, so this is probably the AC furnace for the other one. It goes up here, and let's see where it goes. Goes up here, and it comes down. It comes down to this unit. Okay, so that means it's a switch for this unit here, and I'll probably come back and confirm that, by turning it on and off and seeing if the red, there's a status LED in there. If that turns off, if I can see it turn off through the window, it means it's the switch for this one.